Does it feel like your paycheck vanishes the second you get it? Bills, debt, and surprise expenses make financial stability seem impossible. Even when you try to earn more, save more, or cut back, your money seems to slip away. You're not alone. Millions struggle with managing their finances, feeling like they're trying to fill a bucket with a hole in it. Between rising costs, unexpected emergencies, and pressure to keep up, financial freedom can feel out of reach. But what if the problem isn't how much you earn, but how you manage it? Let's break down practical money management tips to help you go from financial stress to success. The biggest money myth. We've all heard it. Work harder, hustle more, cut out all luxuries, and financial freedom will follow. But let's be real. Working yourself to exhaustion isn't sustainable, and extreme penny pinching makes life miserable. The truth? Financial success isn't about making more money. It's about making your money work for you. The first step is understanding where your money is going. Stop avoiding your bank account like an awkward text from an ex. Take a deep breath, look at your income, expenses, and debts, and start gaining control. Budgeting, a plan for your money. Budgeting isn't about saying no to everything fun. It's about giving your money direction. When you know where every dollar goes, you'll have fewer "where did all my money go?" moments. Track your income and expenses. Yes, even that $5 coffee habit. Separate needs from wants. Rent, food, and utilities come first. Fun stuff comes second. Set spending limits. Having a category for fun money lets you enjoy life guilt-free. Use budgeting apps like Mint, YNAB, or Good Budget to simplify the process. Turn budgeting into a challenge. Try cutting back in one category each month and reward yourself when you succeed. Remember, budgeting is about balance, not deprivation. Emergency fund, your financial safety net. Life happens. Your car breaks down, a medical bill shows up, or your job gets cut. An emergency fund is your financial safety net. Start small. Even $20 per paycheck adds up over time. Aim for 3 to 6 months' worth of expenses. This provides a cushion for unexpected situations. Keep it separate. Store it in a high-yield savings account so you're not tempted to dip into it. Think of an emergency fund as your financial seatbelt. It won't prevent accidents, but it will protect you from serious damage. Retirement, a gift to your future self. Retirement might seem far away, but trust me, someday sneaks up fast. The sooner you start saving, the less you'll have to save later. Take advantage of employer retirement plans. If your employer offers a 401k with matching contributions, that's free money. Take it. Even small contributions grow massively over time. The earlier, the better. Thanks to compound interest, even modest savings can turn into a small fortune. For instance, Warren Buffett, one of the world's most successful investors, started investing at the age of 11. Sure, his early contributions were modest, but his secret weapon was consistency. He let time and compound interest do the heavy lifting. Had he procrastinated until his 30s, he'd still be rich, but not Warren Buffett rich. Still not convinced? Let's talk numbers. A 2020 Fidelity study found that saving from age 25 can yield nearly 3 times more by 65 than starting at 35. For example, investing $200 monthly at 25 with a 7% annual return could grow to over $500,000 by retirement. Now, let's address a topic that strikes fear into many: debt. Debt can feel like a never-ending burden, but with the right strategy, you can take control. List all your debts: credit cards, student loans, personal loans. Know exactly what you owe. Choose your repayment strategy. Debt avalanche. Pay off high-interest debt first to save more money long-term. Debt snowball. Pay off the smallest debt first to build momentum. Avoid digging deeper. Pay on time, keep credit card balances low, and resist unnecessary loans. Remember, every dollar you put toward debt is one step closer to financial freedom. Credit score, your financial reputation. Your credit score impacts everything from loan approvals to apartment rentals. Here's how to keep it strong. Pay bills on time. Payment history makes up 35% of your credit score. Keep credit card balances low. Aim to use less than 30% of your available credit. Avoid unnecessary credit applications. Too many hard inquiries can lower your score. Check your credit report regularly. Errors can hurt your score. Dispute any mistakes you find. A strong credit score saves you money on interest rates and gives you better financial opportunities. Investing. Let your money work for you. Investing isn't just for millionaires. It's how everyday people become millionaires. Start with index funds. They offer diversified investments with lower risk. Invest consistently. Even $50 a month can grow significantly over time. Understand compound interest. The longer your money is invested, the more it grows. Seek guidance. If investing feels overwhelming, consult a financial advisor. The sooner you start, the more time your money has to multiply. Small steps, big results. Managing money doesn't require drastic changes overnight. Small, consistent steps lead to big financial wins. Save an extra $10 a week. Track one new expense. Pay a little extra on your debt. Download a budgeting app. Most importantly, take action. Waiting for the perfect moment to fix your finances is like waiting for a unicorn. It's not happening. The best time to start? Right now. If you've made it this far, you're already on the right path. Now take that first step, and while you're at it, smash that like and subscribe button. You got this.